Hey guys, what is up? It's Courtney Lynn and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do something a little bit different this week and post 2 videos in this week with a little bit of midweek motivation for you guys. I know if you're anything like me, when it hits like that halfway point of the week, you definitely need all the motivation. So I thought today, just for fun, I would set my timer for an hour and see how much I can get done here around the house, just doing some random things. So I'm gonna grab some coffee and we're gonna jump right into it. So let's get going. And just as I was finishing up here in the room, I just had a few things left to do. My timer went off, and so that is the end of my 1 hour clean, and I'm so happy. I felt like I got a lot done. I just tidied up the whole house pretty much, the basic living areas and my room, but it didn't take very long, 1 hour, and it feels so much better. So thank you guys for watching. If you do a power hour, please be sure to let me know down in the comments and let me know if you guys got some stuff accomplished. I know that I did, and thank you guys for watching. Be sure to be subscribed to my channel because I will be posting a brand new video coming on Monday, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.